अरे बंद हो जाएगा तो लापड़ा हो गया। बस नहीं करना है, इसलिए नहीं आना इधर, आना ही नहीं।
Graduation is not the end. It's the beginning of journey towards excellence, discovery, and responsibility. Good afternoon to one and all present over here. It is with immense pleasure and pride I, Deepali Patil, Assistant Professor, Electronics and Communication Engineering, welcome you all to this proud and auspicious occasion, that is Graduation Day 2025 at Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Graduation Day is not just a ceremony, it's the celebration of dreams fulfilled, lessons learned, and the promise of new beginning. It marks the end of one chapter and the exciting start of another, where knowledge meets the responsibility and learning transforms into leadership. Respected dignitaries on the dais, distinguished faculty members, proud parents, and my dear students. On behalf of entire JC family, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to each one of you. Let us begin this auspicious occasion by seeking divine blessings. I request everyone to kindly raise for the JGI prayer. To fill this atmosphere with blessings, I now welcome Ms. Pooja from 4th semester for the invocation song. Shri Ganapa Sakara Vandane Ganapa Om Karanada Priya He Ganapa Sakara Vandane Ganapa Dhimi 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 Nate Sarupa Ninagino Arpane Bhakti Arupa हे प्रभो निनगिदो नम नमस्कारा हे प्रभो निनगिदो नम नमस्कारा ओंकारनाद प्रिय हे गणपा साकार वंदने हे गणपा ನಗುಮುಖದಿಂದ ಜಗವನೆ ನೋಡುತ್ತಾ ಮಂದಹಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತಿಹರೇವಾ ನಗುಮುಖದಿಂದ ಜಗವನೆ ನೋಡುತ್ತಾ ಮಂದಹಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತಿಹರೇವಾ ಅಭಯ ಹಸ್ತವ ನೀಡಿ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ನೀಡುವ ಭವ್ಯ ಮೂರುತಿ ಹೇ ಗಣನಾಥ ಧಿಮಿ 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 ನಾಟ್ಯ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ನಿನಗಿದು ಅರ್ಪಣೆ ಭಕ್ತಿಯ ಧೂಪ ಹೇ ಪ್ರಭೋ ನಿನಗಿದು ನಮ್ಮ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಹೇ ಪ್ರಭೋ ನಿನಗಿದು ನಮ್ಮ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಓಂಕಾರನಾದ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಹೇ ಗಣಪ ಸಾಕಾರ ವಂದನೆ ಹೇ ಗಣಪ ಸಡಗರದಿಂದ ತೋರಣ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಭಾವದಿ ದೀಪವ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಸಡಗರದಿಂದ ತೋರಣ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಭಾವದಿ ದೀಪವ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಪಂಚಕಜಾಯದ ನೈವೇದ್ಯವಿತ್ತು ಕರ್ಪೂರದಾರತಿ ನಿತ್ಯವು ಬೆಳಗಿ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಎನ್ನೋಣ ಗಣಪತಿ ಪೂಜೆಯ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಎನ್ನೋಣ ಗಣಪತಿ ಪೂಜೆಯ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಶರಣು ಶರಣು ಗಣಪ ಶರಣು ಶರಣು ಬೆನಕ ಶರಣು ಶರಣು ಗಣಪ ಶರಣು ಶರಣು ಬೆನಕ ಓಂಕಾರನಾದ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಹೇ ಗಣಪ ಸಾಕಾರ ವಂದನೆ ಹೇ ಗಣಪ. Thank you, Pooja, for the wonderful invocation song. We now take this moment to honor our esteemed dignitaries with a token of love and respect, that is a sapling, a symbol of growth, sustainability and legacy. Now I request Professor G.P. Kadam sir to present a sapling to our beloved principal and director Dr. J. Shukumar sir. Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Nagraj Aivale sir to present a sampling to our head of the department, Professor B.R. Patle sir. Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Jayashree Rurki ma'am to present a sampling to Dean Academics and PTO Affairs, Dr. Rajshekara Gowda C. Patil sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Professor Avinash Joshi sir to present a sampling to our ECO coordinator, Professor Shahak Patil sir. Thank you, sir. May I now request Professor Shahak Patil, ECO coordinator, Department of ECE, to deliver the welcome address and formally set the tone for today's celebration.
Yeah, good afternoon to everyone present here. It is with great joy and touch of nostalgia that I welcome our respected principal, Dr. J. Shivkumar sir, who is president of today's function. Welcome, sir. Next, we have welcome our beloved HOD sir, V.R. Pagli sir. I also welcome Dean Academics, Rajshekar sir, and esteemed teachers, dedicated staff members, HODs of various departments, beloved parents, and of course our dear students to this memorable farewell function. Today marks a significant moment, a celebration of all the years our graduating students have spent in this institute. It is a day to look back with pride and ahead with hope. As we gather to bid farewell to a cherished batch of 2021-25 students, let us remember the beautiful words of A. Milne, that is, how lucky we are to have something that makes saying goodbye so hard. This day is not just a goodbye, it's a tribute to the journey, the friendships, the lessons, and the growth we have witnessed together. It's also a moment to thank the parents for their support, the teachers for their guidance, and the students for their memories. So let's celebrate this day with love, laughter, and lasting memories. Once again, a warm welcome to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Success is best when it's shared. We share the story of our journey. I now invite our head of the department, Professor P.R. Pagli sir, to present the departmental achievements, a proud reflection of our students, staff, and institutional growth.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I took 5 hours to write this speech. If I say something, okay, you should consider. I have done a lot of effort to cater to all the things. A warm greetings to all, respected principal sir, Dean Academics, ECO coordinators, my dear parents, HODs of various departments, and my dear faculty members, and also my dear outgoing student friends. I'm here to give an overview of our departmental achievement as head of the department. This is the first batch of our department where mandatory internship is introduced as part of curriculum by BTU. All the final year students carried out internship of 15 weeks in 8 semesters. Some of them got stipend varying from 3,000 per month to 25,000 per month during their internship. Around 30 students internships are converted into placements by the companies. Overall placement of department crossed more than 115. Still in continuation of this, today around 9 students attending final round of TCS at in BVB Hubli campus. We are missing in this one. I would like to mention our faculty who are instrumental in providing industry internship to our students. With their efforts, students got in following industries: Ejaki Bengaluru by Mr. Shivanand Patar, Vegam Solutions, Professor T.P. Kadam sir, Trinity Hubli, Dr. Nagaraj Ayoli, Loginware Private Limited, Professor Ravi Kalmat. We have got very dedicated internship coordinator, Professor S.B. Shinde, who coordinated with industry as well as with students, adhering to VTU deadlines throughout semester. Our students have got placed in Tissol Semiconductors, HP, Saskin, Karmic, Infosys, Cognizant, Inteva, Technodyne, Excel Corp, and so on. We congratulate all placed students on this occasion. I am happy to share that our students have published 18 research papers and 4 patents this year. I also congratulate Professor Girish Katkol and Professor Santosh Kotgi and TQO, Professor Raghunandan Oja for their support. Our department has conducted more than 15 events this year, including AICT sponsored 6th International Conference on Emerging Trends, co-sponsored by IEEE in the last month. I would like to mention convener of INSET, Dr. Krupa Rasne Madam, with her efforts, planning and execution. Also, we got 3 lakh AICT funding got sanctioned for the event with her efforts. I would like to mention Dr. Nagaraj Ayoli is instrumental in arranging 3 days FTP, which is VTU sponsored on advanced VLSI. We received grant of 25,000 from VTU and around 30 faculty participated in the FTP. Free GATE coaching classes conducted regularly to our students by Professor G.P. Kadam sir. Sir has also developed till now 6 products of social relevance in-house along with Mr. Shivanand Patar. Our department is MBA accredited. Our department have 5 faculty with PhD and 8 faculty are pursuing their PhD. Among these, Professor A.S. Joshi submitted his thesis to VTU, waiting for his final defense. Our department has VTU recognized PhD research center. Presently, 9 scholars are pursuing their PhD. Also, we have UG intake of 180. I would like to acknowledge the efforts of Dean Academics and VTU Affairs, Dr. R.C. Patil, handling responsibilities at the institute level from our department. He was also instrumental in setting up of ERP software on JCE campus. Our faculty, Professor Basaraj Chawla, Professor Shah Patil, Professor Vasant Kumar Upadhyay, Professor Deepali Patil, and Mr. Vijay Vujkankar handle skill lab sessions on Arduino and sensors at first year level, Node MCU at second year level. At third year level, we have developed new lab on PCB designing, which will be handled by Professor Viraj and Mr. Shivanand Patar and Mr. Basaraj Gandhi. We have got very active IEEE student branch, AESS and WIE chapters under supervision of branch counselor Dr. Krupa Rasne Madam and IEEE coordinator Professor Deepali Patil Madam. 4 girl students have received scholarship worth 50,000 each this year from IEEE, WIE and Global Academy. Around 33 IEEE students visited recently to ISRO Bangalore campus. About 21 students were mentored by industry experts and academicians.
We have got very active and dedicated eco coordinators, Professor Shah Patil, instrumental in conducting five-a-side football, volleyball, and throw ball competitions, including freshers as well as farewell function. Ms. Kshiti, Varsha, and Chaitra attended IEEE Space Conference. Mr. Chandan Kangralkar selected as IEEE 18 Extreme Ambassador. Our students have won 2.5 lakh rupees worth prizes in Samsung Hackathon. One of the batch at National Level Project Expo, our students have won first prize of 10,000 cash prize conducted in AITM Belagavi. We encourage our students to participate in inter and intra-college competitions like Project Expo, hackathons, boot camps, idea pitching. With the able leadership of our beloved principal and director, Dr. J. Shivakumar sir, IDEA Lab is sanctioned by AICTE with a grant of worth 90 lakh rupees this year. A new meeting coming up where we are in process of setting up IDEA Lab on JCA campus. We conduct alumni meet and parents meet in online mode on every Independence Day and Republic Day. Recently, we have conducted offline alumni meet also. This academic year event we are officially closing with farewell function of our final year students. I wish you all final year student friends a good luck in your future endeavors. I would like to thank all our faculty and staff who work tirelessly behind the screen in organizing all the activities of the department. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. I guess 5 minutes is not sufficient to say our achievement of our students. Now, let's move on to the important section of today's event. Dear students, it's time to hear from you. I request few of the final year students to come forward and share their experience, their memories as they may. Today, I request Siti to come forward and share her experience as Tracy. I request the students to maintain the silence, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Standing here today feels surreal. It's hard to believe that 4 years have gone by so quickly. It feels like just yesterday I walked into Jain College of Engineering, nervous, curious, and full of dreams. These 4 years have been more than just a part of my academic journey. They have been a beautiful chapter of my life. This place has given me so much more than a degree. It gave me friends who became family. It gave me teachers who became mentors, and it gave me experiences that shaped me into who I am today. From the first day of college, I was welcomed with warmth. I still remember the excitement of freshers, the confusion of assignments, and the rush before internals. The nervous smiles during presentations, somewhat between all of this, I started to grow. Beyond the marks and grades, what I truly treasure are the lessons that I have learned. Lessons about responsibility and believing in myself. To all our teachers, thank you. Your support and guidance means a lot to us. Thank you for being patient to us, for encouraging us, and for always being there when we needed your advice. College life wouldn't have been complete without the countless memories. The lunch breaks, group studies, college fest, last-minute submissions, cultural events, and just sitting around with friends doing nothing but just talking about everything. These little moments are what I'll carry in my heart forever. Over these 4 years, I have grown, not just in knowledge, but in perspective. I have become more aware, more confident, and more ready to take on the world. For that, I am forever grateful for this institution, my teachers, my friends, to every single person that came across this journey and became a part of my life. As I step out of this gate and into a new chapter of my life, I carry with me not just a degree, a bag full of memories, a heart full of gratitude, and a spirit ready to take flight. Thank you, Jain College of Engineering, for everything. You'll always be a part of who I am. Thank you. Thank you, Shri. Now I request Shravan.
Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, I was not prepared for this. I just prepared just 5 minutes prior. So I just I just spent it. Yes, it is chatting, but I have written it. I honestly still can't believe that today is the last day of our college. We are officially graduating. Like seriously, the same people who forward assignments, deadlines, and thought we'll study tomorrow, but still we are catching up to here. I still remember the first day I got admission into JC. I was very much nervous, excited, and suddenly back. Just in a fraction of a second, I'm standing in front of you in the graduation ceremony. Time goes so fast. But every bit of it is not worth it. First, now I just like to thank everyone for the first and for the most thing. I want to thank my family, my parents, grandparents, siblings, and everyone around you. Thank you so much. Secondly, a huge thank to all the professors. You didn't just teach us the subject. You literally taught us how to survive engineering. You saw potential in us even when we all were incomplete records, pending internals. Thank you for the courage, knowledge, and sometimes the grace marks. To our HOD and principal, thank you for being more than authorities. You were pillars of support and silent motivation. You believed in us even when we were barely attending classes. To my friends, my crazy gang, thank you for surviving college with me. For the combined studies that became combined gossip session for group assignments where only two people worked and the rest of the gave moral support. Thank you, honestly, we've all been through so much together that even if we start crying now, we would end up together laughing. Now comes a personal life transformation story, okay? Before joining JC, I was kind of very much introvert guy, full of attitude, who thought talking to people was overrated. But once I joined here, something changed. Maybe it was energy or maybe just Wi-Fi. I started joining clubs, not to socialize, but for the attendance. But surprisingly, those clubs helped me become a leader, taught me resilience, patience, people skills, and how to handle last-minute events with zero budget. I've been so lucky to have led many clubs, and now, how can I forget my best friends? My rivals, who just gets me. You have been always my constant support, my wife match, and together we have created memories that even hundreds of albums couldn't capture. To all the divisions, to the legendary batch of 2025, you guys are the real MVPs. Every trip, every fest, every late night call saying, "यार कुछ तो करना है life में." I'll miss every bit of it. So yes, this is it. The subject, the exams, the backlog, all ends today. No more bro internal के marks कितने मिले. But what stays with us are the memories, the lessons, and the people. They have grown, they have evolved, and trust me, the world out there better be ready because the batch of 2025 from JC is coming. And they are coming with a style. Thank you, everyone.
Now I request Sachin.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. It feels really nice to be standing here today. These past few years have been full of lessons. Hello. It feels really nice to be standing here today. These past few years have been full of lessons. Some from the classroom and honestly, many from outside. From bunking classes to play cricket, to spending more time on the ground than in lectures, to somehow covering the entire syllabus just one night before exams. It's been wild, memorable ride. I'm grateful for having a great friends, C Division boys, and I want to thank all my professors for guiding me throughout my journey, especially Sam sir and Dipali who were supporting me through my good times, but more importantly, through my difficult ones. I'm thanking you once again. That support truly made a difference. Also, I want to thank ChatGPT for my constant support throughout my journey. As we all move on to our new chapters in life, I hope we carry with us not just degrees, but their friendships, the fun, the lessons, and the memories we have made so far. Thank you and congratulations all. We have survived engineering and that's worth celebrating. Thank you everyone.
Now I request Professor to share
A warm and a pleasant afternoon, everyone. Respected Principal Dr. J. Kumar, our HOD, Professor B.R. Bagali, esteemed faculty, proud parents, and my dear friends. What a moment to be standing here. I am Anjan Pacheko, a proud graduate now, finally, of the ECE branch, and today I get to share my slice of journey. These 4 years have been a mix of resistance and resistance to waking up at 8 a.m. of subjects that sparked our friendship that stayed solid through it all. A huge thank you to Professor Bakli sir for being the backbone of our department, guiding us through not just technical concepts but through life as well. To our amazing faculty, thank you for your patience, encouragement, and love. To our parents, our first and forever cheerleaders. Thank you. Your love and support have powered us more than any battery could. To all my friends, we survived. From lab submissions to last minute group studies, we have made memories that will last way beyond these college walls. I still remember calling my buddy Sridhar a day before the exam saying, Bro, abhyas avaitila. A special thanks to Professor Dipali Patil and Professor Shahad Patil for arranging this beautiful graduation ceremony for us. And last but not the least, I would like to give my heartfelt gratitude to Professor Ame and Professor Varsha from Civil Department. Thank you for being with me throughout the semester, right from the first. As we move ahead, let's just not carry our degrees, but also the lessons, laughter, and legacy of JCE with us. Thank you one and all for a patient listening and have a wonderful day.
share his experience.
All is well. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, as I stand here
It feels moment when long noisy signal finally passes through a low-pass filter, clean, clear, and finally meaningful. Back then, many of us didn't know a difference between a resistor and capacitor, and still we sometimes guess, but yet we do it confidently. Getting shocked literally in the lab, burning 1 kilo ohm resistors, building a circuit that only worked when professor is not looking. Getting told by triple five timer IC, praying that it should come to us at last. Evening debugging chai, late night Maggie with friends boosted our morale. To our professor, thank you for your patience, especially when we just answered noise in the Viva questions for every single related. I thank Professor Shahab Patil, Diwali ma'am, and my beloved Professor Salma Shahpur, his assistant, who turned rock into diamond. Thank you, sir, for always being there supporting us. You have no idea what role you have played in our life as an engineering life. And our most beloved Professor Bagli sir and ma'am, thank you, sir. I welcome Nagraj sir, JP Kadam sir, and other dignitaries for always supporting us, especially our batch, ECE final year batch. Coming last, my gang, C gang, and our autonomous C division, the most fun and achieved division. My dear brothers, Vishwas Ghat Desai, Benedita Vinya, Swastik, Swati, Rohit, Augie, Sudarshan, Sufyan, Vadiraj, Avishkar, Shiti, Chandan, Sachin, and Praveen. I thank them for being Vidya, yes, Vidya, Vidya Alagar. You are the diamond, like you, whenever we see you, we have a smile. We are really blessed to have you as our classmate and our friend Vidya. And remembering our memories with my friends, with my boys, we bunking classes, playing cricket at the ground, and our fixed spot parking katta, we used to hang out there. I'll end my speech with a short quote by Adam Scott. Engineers like to solve problems. If there are not problems, they'll create of their own. So thank you. Peace out.
Thank you, Ibrahim. I know many students want to share their experience, but due to the shortage of Namaskara. First of all, you prepared act bandila. So my friends and course padadulu so bandini. So first of all, HOD sir, principal, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರ ಮೊದಲಿಂದಾಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಒಳಗ ನಾವ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದ್ವಿ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಂಜರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಒಳಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಟಿದಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದ್ದು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ದಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರ ಅವ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ನಾವು ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಅದೇವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ವೊಕೇಶನ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಚಲೋ ಅಂತ ಇವ್ರು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರು. ಮತ್ತ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ನ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಲವ್ ಯು ಆಲ್. that is the presentation of Best Outgoing Boy and Best Outgoing Girl for the batch of 2021-2025. I request the principal and director to do the honors. To explain few words regarding selection, it was a tough competition to select the best outgoing boy and the best outgoing girl.
Best outgoing gun. So we can't change that. Already it is printed. It is Shiti Gatigowda.
As a few of the achievements of Kshiti is academically she is strong. She is a IEEE member and she has participated in IEEE Aerospace and she was one of the team member who has grabbed Samsung innovation of worth of 2.5 lakhs.
The best outgoing boy goes to it goes to Sujit Malarekar.
Few of the achievements of Suchit is she is a team member in Samsung Innovation who has grabbed a price of 2.5 lakh and his CGPA is 9.2 and he has represented the institute that is in cricket captain for successfully 3 years. Those are just a few achievements of Suchit. Congratulations, Sujit and Kshiti. We now present a special award for outstanding contributions to the department, recognizing not just the talent, but the commitment to collective growth. I request the principal and director to do so.
Okay, this is outstanding achievements towards department by student. We wish to have all of you to become competent for this, but they have shortlisted one. He is Chandan P. Kangalkar.
Congratulations. It is very tough to select a best boy, best girl, or the outstander because for us, you all are the best. Now I request the principal and director, Dr. Jain College sir, to give away the presidential remarks and bless our graduates.
Thank you. Pleasant evening to all of you. Dean Academics, Dr. Rajshekhar Patil, HOD of the Department, Professor Bagli, ECO Coordinator, Shahat Patil, faculty colleagues, and the guests for this today's program, parents of the outgoing students, and the young engineering graduates, the outgoing students. At the outset, on behalf of Institute and on my personal behalf, I would like to say thanks to the parents who made it this event a memorable one. Because the graduation day, you parents have come over here and attending the program. It's a good, great honor for our institute. And institute department also has done a great work. Innovatively, they have arranged. So I know you people are sitting in the other room, but your wards are sitting in this hall. And I am addressing your wards. At the same time, I will keep you people also in the mind. And we are proud. And to the parents, I am just mentioning. Just now you witnessed. HOD of the department has listed the achievements of the students. He mentioned that he has taken 5 hours to prepare that. And definitely, students, your wards have put in here 4 years, and our efforts always was there to see your ward to achieve something. That is why we had many clubs, student engagement cells. Through that, we wanted to encourage your ward. We wanted to make your ward a holistic citizen. That's why we made it. Be it technical, non-technical, curricular or co-curricular activities. So we encourage. And I'm very happy that on this stage, your wards like Kshiti, Chandan, Sujit, Asin, Mohammed Ibrahim, and Vidya. Right? Symbolically, of course, those 6 students came over here and they expressed. I know majority of our students, they are capable of coming onto the stage and they are capable of addressing. Just now I was mentioning, I still remember, Walwaker, she did excellent work in ED cell. So ED cell she did, and of course I cannot name almost all the students. And we feel happy when our students come to the stage and when they start addressing. And that is what we are giving. And of course, similar kind of support from your end also was there, because you people, as a parents, you allowed us to send our students to Bangalore and there also to other places. So there also our students achieved. So happy that already you have heard Samsung Innovation Award and other awards, hackathon, ideathon, competitions and all your awards have done. Of course, with the support of you also, that was possible. And to the students, to the graduates, I wish to mention here, now see all 4 years have gone and this is the memorable years of your life. 4 years of graduation, you will be remembering forever. Still, I go back to my graduation days, 39 years, I should say 35 years back. I was sitting like you. Of course, we didn't have graduation day sort of thing like this, but still, we connected together and we still cherish those moments, right? And one more thing I wish to mention you all is, the outside world is not like the JCE. Your friends have mentioned, right? Chandan, Sujit and all, they have mentioned here. We did so many things, but all HODs and faculty members have managed and they are very much patient to us and all that. But outside world, as a bit of caution I am giving you, right? I should say this. As a head of the institution, I must mention, because I want to see you all successful in your other field. In the upcoming outside world is a little bit competitive. We say it is the VUCA word, right? You all know it is volatile, uncertain. We don't know what happens next. And now things are rapidly changing. So many things are coming up. Earlier there were not much challenges. So today you will be in the better job, and tomorrow we don't know. If you don't acquire, you may be kicked out also. It is not like that once appointed and it is done. It is not like that. That's why you continue doing good things and keep learning. Keep learning and try to achieve excellence by putting hard work. And in the college, we wanted to give that sort of training. First thing is that we wanted to make you as holistic citizen, responsible citizen, right? And second thing is that at the same time, you people must be excellent in technical skills also. And anyway, we did our best, and you people also did your best. That is why you could able to achieve some of the things. And I am happy to say with you all that our college and your college, I should say, our college is growing, and day by day things are happening. Many new things are happening. As HOD has just now has mentioned, Idea Lab, AICTE Idea Lab has been sanctioned by AICTE, recognizing our activities in the campus. It has recognized. And AICTE is funding for various FDPs, conduction of activities and many things. And your institution definitely will grow in the coming years. And the open invitation which I am giving now, you are not going out. You are going out as graduates, but you will be always remembered as the students, ex-students of the JCE, and you are all alumni members of JCE. By default, you are all the part of JCE. Alumni Association is very much active here. Recently, we had an alumni association meeting where 2014 batch students also came. So there is a large alumni database is there where your seniors are doing extremely well. They have been invited, and we wish to see you also in the better place. And when you find time, I am giving invitation now itself. When you are coming to Belagavi, or when you have time, you are always welcome to the college. You can visit the department, you can visit the college, and you can visit the various centers which we are planning. AICTE Idea Lab 1 is mentioned, and Section 8 company. It is almost registered. Maybe it will start working from next week onwards. We wanted to have incubation center in the campus, many more startup in the campus, and your Mohammed Ibrahim was mentioning. So we are remembering him for his patents. So he was the person. Your own friend has like instrumental in getting patents. And if you are interested to start company, if you are interested to start startups, you can start in our college itself, right? So many activities are happening. In coming days also, we wish to do many more things. Once again, on behalf of Institute, I must congratulate all the budding engineers, graduates, and we wish you all good luck from the JCE family. And thanks again to the parents who made your journey comfortable and achievable. And once again, thank you all. Thank you. See, now your department has arranged one program, Memento distribution, wherein the photograph, group photograph of all of you have captured in that photograph, and it will be distributed. And it is the Memento distribution. Your faculty members are giving from their hand. They are giving. You have requested to come to the stage and collect your Memento and remember next week.
Now I request the students to come in a group of 5 to 6 members and collect your mementos. The memento is distributed to remember JCE. I request the students to come row by row. Come forward. I request Rupa ma'am to join us.
Hello guys, so I'm back in control. All please clap. Make sure you don't stop clapping. Come on guys, आज जैसा पूछ रहा हूँ. Come on guys, keep clapping. मैं उसको खाना भरपूर खाया सभी ने.
हाथ लगेगा तो बंद पड़ेगा बाद में मुझे तो लाइव कर रहे हैं लाइव अपने पेरेंट देख रहे हैं बाहर से आ जाओ ना इधर बाहर से
The students are requested to be seated after collecting the memento. Please don't leave the auditorium.
आप क्या बता रहे थे?
A warm good evening to one and all. It's my privilege to propose thanks for this auspicious occasion. I wish to thank our management for the support extended towards the complete academics as well as towards organizing this function. I thank our principal sir for the motivation and encouragement. I thank the HOD of ECE as well as the teaching and non-teaching staff for organizing this event in a very fruitful way. I thank parents for joining us in this occasion. I thank the students and also the live coverage team for their support. Before saying thanks to one and all, I just want to say 2 points to the outgoing students. This is the new beginning. One point which I want to tell you is the comparison. The comparison should be with yourself, with your yesterday, with your previous moment, right? So by doing this, the comparison with yourself, you'll never get tired, you'll never get depressed, and this comparison will never get over, right? So this is a very important point to compare with yourself, right? Rather than comparing with others and getting tired, depressed, and if you win over them, the comparison, oh, big X. So instead of that, the comparison with ourselves to be there all the time. The second one is giving back to the society. As you all will be starting earning the amount or the money, right? This is not only your own earning, the earning in this is being contributed by your parents, your teachers. Not only these close aids, the moshes which who have cleaned your board, right? So that the things can be written at the start of the class. The drivers who have brought you here, even the other members are there, maybe the one who has stitched your shoes, the one who has stitched your clothes, right? So, including the soldier who is there on the border, right? Because of whom we are able to study so peacefully and comfortably. Our earning is equally to be divided among all these. So try to give back to the society as much as possible. So don't feel the regret while paying the income. Then the last one, be a human being. That's what our VTU says. Vishweshwaraya Technological University, even being a technological university, the punchline of VTU is Modalu Padavanagu, right? First be a human being, then whatever you want, engineer or MBA expert, whatever it is. But first be a human being. So, as we are graduating from the Vishweshwaraya Technological University, at least we need to implement that punchline in our day-to-day life. Modalu Madavanagu, right? So So with this, I would like to give the information that outside we have a photo session, group photo session, and get together there for the group photo session. With this, thank you one and all. Thank you.
To formally conclude the session, I request everyone to raise for the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Open auditorium for the photo session. Everyone to assemble in the open auditorium for the photo session.